So a lot of you folks have been struggling with this same issue which I've been facing for the past two, maybe 1 year maybe. So it's regarding the brown coating of the silencer or the pipe coming from the engine towards the silencer. This part all the way to that section, as you can see, this is the residual part. As you can see, it's a bit brownish. So this was the color, initial color of my silencer after 1 year of front usage on here. So it was pretty nasty. I mean, if you look at the bike as a whole, even if I wash the bike, I can pressure wash it, I can use the foam wash, everything works, but the bike will look absolutely fine, but this section would won't change. Nothing happens. It will stay that same brownish color, which is just absolutely nuts. It just gives off rusty feel to your bike. So that is where one product comes in, which is the TVS silencer coating. Now, I coated this silencer coating on my bike for the past 2 times in the past 3 months, and it has been holding pretty good. And this is the only time after, as you can see, only a small section has been coming off. I coated the whole entire section in the same silencer coating. So before you do that, you just need to ensure one thing. So before coating with the silencer, you have to get the initial rust off the pipe, which you can do by getting your normal everyday Harpic, the one that you can find in the bathroom. Just apply it liberally over to the exhaust pipe, over to this section, and wait for like 15 minutes, then scrub it off, and then wash it cleanly with the soap, and then you have to apply the silencer coating. Now you can apply once or twice, I prefer, and the product itself says to apply it twice, 2 coatings. If you coat it that way, it will stay there for absolutely 2000 to 3000 kilometers, which is absolutely fine. You can wash your bike, you can race your bike, heat, rain, rust, nothing will ever get into your way again until it pops out, as you can see right now. But I'm satisfied. Like 3 months, 2 coatings, pretty good for the price. Now this is the video prior to applying the coating. Now I'll show you the video after applying the coating.